Today I want to talk about an exercise which is by far one of the most complex practices that we do in internal martial arts. It is called the cloudy hands. But today I want to talk about how to use this exercise to exercise our upper body and lower body in the same time. You can use lighter weights, and then slowly you can increase. The same exercise can be done with one hand with a Tai Chi ball or a weight that you have a dumbbell. You can use a dumbbell. I prefer to use the Tai Chi wooden ball, but you can use any weight you like. A few things that I want you to have in mind. First, we work in the horse stance position. Second, we move the weight from one leg to another. Third, the spine is straight and it's only turning to the left and to the right. The hand that is up will rotate together with the body, so it is not a hand movement, it is a body movement, a total body movement, as you can see in the exercise that I shoot on the beach. I hope you can do this exercise as slow as possible, and you will see that the workout is fantastic. You will sweat a lot and you will benefit. All the joints will benefit, from the ankles, knees, hips, shoulders, spine and neck. You will see that this is a total workout exercise. Thank you.